Hello everyone! I am here to give a review, swatches, and a makeup tutorial using the Beauty Glazed Colorboard palette. It is this hefty box with 4 layers consisting of the 4 color bases that you get from this palette. And at the back, you can read the different ingredients used to make the eyeshadows. This palette offers 3 types of eyeshadows, namely mattes, shimmers, and glitter. Just know that I have had this palette for a while now, so you can see the shades have been touched. So first you get the green toned shade. In this group, you get 6 matte eyeshadows, 6 shimmer eyeshadows, and 3 glitter eyeshadows. Next is the reds and orange tones. This one has 9 matte eyeshadows, 4 shimmer eyeshadows, and 2 glitter eyeshadows. Here we have the blue shades. It has 8 matte eyeshadows, 5 shimmer eyeshadows, and 2 glitter eyeshadows. And last we have the pinks and purples. This has 7 matte eyeshadows, 6 shimmer eyeshadows, and 2 glitter eyeshadows. Now here is a quick swatch of all the colors offered by this palette on my arm to see how it looks like on skin. If you are interested on how I achieved this colorful, fun makeup look, then keep on watching. Just know that I have already applied my foundation, my concealer, contour, blush, and eyebrows before doing this. So first I applied concealer on my upper lid on where I'm going to put the eyeshadows to make sure the colors pop. Time to whisk out your colorboard palette. Using this medium orange shade here, I applied it on the middle parts of my lid. Next is this bright green shade over here and applied it right under the orange. With this blue shade right here, apply it on the outer part of the lid, just right next to the green. Now I am not blending the colors yet because I am putting the colors on where they should be. For under the eyes, I just use the same green and blue eyeshadows that I have used in the lid. This deep purple shade here, I applied it above the blue and right next to the orange. I spice it up with a bright pink and use it to blend the purple. this bright yellow to blend the orange as well. For the inner lid, I used a lighter shade of yellow. Next, I took a brush to blend all the colors slightly. Be careful though, too much blending could make the color murky. That rhymed. Now with this gray shimmer, I applied it at the outer part to darken the edges. These shadows do have a lot of fallouts. So I just took a wet wipe to clean the edges and reapplied my foundation and concealer to fix it. Next, I'm applying a thin line of liquid eyeliner. I decided to keep it thin so as not to steal the attention away from the colorful shadows. Then I sealed it all up with my favorite mascara. Now to finish this look with a bright red lipstick to join the color party. Now for an obligatory slow-mo close-up montage. If you are looking for an affordable eyeshadow palette to practice your makeup skills with, I recommend this Beauty Glazed palette. Not only does it have ample color base and many different shades, it also has a very good quality and blends very easily. Thank you for watching my video.